Welcome to For Seller channel. This video will teach you how to migrate your Shopify products and publish them in TikTok Store. The migration function of For Seller enables multi-channel sellers to quickly copy product information with just one click, thereby enhancing the listing efficiency. Go to the home page and click on the Listings module, where you will see the moving options. Choose to migrate from Shopify. For Seller supports the migration of active, inactive, and removed products to the TikTok Store. If you just want to copy one listings, you can click Copy to Stores button directly. Select the store you want to move into, set the brand and warehouse for your products. You can choose to set the discounts for your moving products, and confirm whether to check the option of following the original mapping relationship, then select Import. After waiting for the end of the green bar, click Next. The page will jump into TikTok draft page automatically. And then please go to the product details page to input the information based on the instructions. After completing the input or modification of the information, you can choose to save it or save and publish it. If you want to move items in bulk, you can select the items you want to move and then choose Copy to Store. Select the store to be moved into, choose the brand and warehouse. Choose to set discounts and follow original mapping relation based on your needs, and then click Import. After ends of green bar, click Next, check the migration products at the TikTok draft page. Then, based on the instructions, modify the product information and then publish it. If you want to copy whole listings from your Shopify store, you can click Copy by Shop button directly. Choose which store you want to copy from, choose active listings, inactive or remove listings, and choose which store you want to copy into, choose brand and warehouse, and choose to skip or copy duplicate products. And then click Import. Wait for the ends of green bar. Click Next to check the moving products at the TikTok draft page. At this step, you can choose to enter the product detail page to edit the information of each individual product, or select the option to batch modify the products. You can modify the image, name, shop SKU, price, quantity, brand, weight, dimensions, certification, or description here. After modifying the products, you can simply save and publish them. If they meet TikTok's publishing requirements, these products will be able to be published successfully directly. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe For Seller channel. We will update new feature video continuously. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with For Seller customer service.